What's up, what's up, what's up? Hey everybody, we're going on. It's Juvandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is, hold on, my watch is, today, Thursday the 24th at 11:52 p.m. It's Thanksgiving. I have off of work, barely, because I have to, I'm on call in case of emergencies. Hashtag marketing life. But your girl is cooking today. And I started chopping up some things last night. I made a potato salad last night because I felt like it was good to get it out of the way, put it in the fridge, so I didn't record that. I'm about to make the rest of the menu. I'll show you downstairs. I have it written out. I'm about to make the strawberry lemonade, the rice, green beans, candied yams, corn pie, not everything else. So you'll see. Let's go.
I saved this. You need it or no?
I can use it.
Whatever. How it is? You want anything else?
Huh.
Because you're greedy.
More sugar.
More sugar?
We got raisins. Do you have raisins, Chandra? No? More sugar. A little bit more. That's the list.
And how you get egg from?
And this is the menu on the front. Alright y'all, I'm working on the candied yams. So I put 1 cup of white, 1 cup of brown, and a half stick of butter. I'm gonna put this on the stove to turn into like the sauce. In here I have the yams washed and peeled. So these are what we're gonna put in the pan, but we're gonna work with the this first. So let's go to the stove. And we put it on medium heat and then just let it cook down.
Come in the kitchen and finish up the fish too?
Yeah, absolutely. corn pie, baked macaroni pie, banana pancakes. What kind of fish? Coconut lemon fish, stuffing, the turkey, candied yams, green beans, bread salad, potato salad, rice, cranberry sauce, salad, zucchini salad. About to get you a friend, Brenda.
Peanut? Is it Peanut?
Yeah, over there.
Peanut is happy.
Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. Brenda, look. Brenda, look. Brenda, look.
Hi. What's going on? Oh my god, it's scary. It's scary.
All the smells.
What's going on? I know.
You want to see? Oh, come here. Come here.
He's getting a soft hat. Brenda, which you like?
Oh, hi.
Peanut?
Want to go? Oh, I got to want all of them. Can I have you?
Peanut keep coming to us though.
Hi. Oh my goodness, hi. Oh my goodness, hi. Oh my goodness. I love your face. You like it?
Everybody in there is going to get a little big. Okay.
On the end, yeah.
The black one's the Bernese Mountain Dog. That could be minimum like 80 pounds.
Hi. Oh, hi. You see, Mama? You're so confused, huh? Oh, hi. What?
Peanut would probably be smaller than Burner.
Yeah.
As big the most as Burner. Yeah.
Oh, hello. Oh, I just want all of them. How do you do it? Hey, hey, hello.
I've tried them, they were vitamins.
What do you think? I mean, yeah, the puppies, they're teething. Is there more? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Just shut this real fast. Oh, no, come back in here.
Come, boo boo. Come, boo boo. I'm here. Come, boo boo. I'm right here. You scared?
It's a puppy. You want to smell her butt real quick?
Ingredient has been clinically studied to boost testosterone 20% in 90 days. Supercharge your masculinity.
Oh, Brenner, Team Woody.
Sure, you think somebody's going to be taking all the love from you?
Male vitality stack every day. Take the 90-day
Cool, come here.
challenge.
What are you saying for?
Chuck's male vitality stack for a very limited time only.
Brenner, you want to leave? Go play.
30% discount with promo code USA.
I love her fun.
Code USA for 30% off while supplies last. Individuals and businesses with tax listen
Brenner, not ready.
feel like you're losing
She's not ready. She's like, no, you're taking my daddy out.
So she's trying to smell her butt.
Yeah, she just smells good enough.
Well, I'm not seeing the lips go up. Her tail is tucked, but I think she's
She's
been
scared.
scared since she just came in, so that's
Yeah.
nothing, no? Oh, there go the
Yeah,
lips.
she's shaking.
Come here.
She's
Okay, she's
shaking.
nice. I promise.
She's shaking. She's scared. We're not scared.
advantage of the Fresh Start program and
Brenner, look. Look at her, Mama. Look.
Peanut is happy
You're a
though.
loner.
Yeah, like me.
You are such a loner.
Peanut is happy though.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hi, Peanut.
U.S. tax shield.
Hi, Peanut.
Protection guaranteed to get you protected today. U.S. tax shield is A+
Yeah, she's shaking.
Better Business Bureau.
Oh, you want to give belly up. There you go.
Ew. Brenner, why are you shaking so much? No jump.
Where are you going? Where do you think you're going?
Oh.
I love you.
He gone in love.
So you're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so jealous. You're so pretty. Welcome to the family. Yay. Oh, yeah, so cute. You're gonna be so sweet with Hina. You're gonna be so cute with Hina. Say hi.
Brenna's so bougie.
Miserable. She gonna warm up. She's gonna be okay.
Watch it, watch it. Gonna turn she face. Watch it. Gonna turn she face.
They're gonna be best friends.
Yeah, they will.
She just so used to being by herself.
Yeah.
You wasn't bored? No. Okay. So the Christmas movie marathon starts already? I know some persons usually have it.
Babe, come here quick. Come for this and make it back outside for the rest of this stuff. Come here. Oh, now Brennan will be coming.
No. You knew they got me a puppy.
Mary.
Oh my god. Drew, you have to tell though. Is it he? Wait, she. Oh my god.
Big little
Okay. Wait.
You know how?
What to do?
You know how? You look familiar?
Yeah, you sent me the picture. Look, I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Wait.
Because she home now, so
Yeah,
she
she
feel
holds
comfortable.
Clario now.
Come here. Oh, don't fall out. Come out, you?
Take go ahead.
It's so little. Oh my god. Come here. Your new name is Luna.
Luna!
I literally said it in the car. I said it in the car.
Oh my god! She got a name.
Luna.
Just like that. Name come just like that. Luna. Aww.
You better be the one, babe. Look at the Christmas with you, my boy. Look at the Christmas with you. Look at the Christmas with you, my boy.
Bona.
Yeah, one of it. Bought some food for it too, for Luna, and some pea pads.
This is your new home.
These are your clothes.
Oh goodness.
What you do?
I can't believe you did that.
She's so small, she can do it.
Yes! We had a whole adventure.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
You
stomach.
deserve that.
Bernie, get out of
Is
food.
it like nuts? You have a tail. Did you know that?
Don't jump, Berna. Don't jump, okay?
This game, the other on your chest. We never gonna rest till everybody bless. Make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah.